I'm Akhila Irfana. I'm a BWork with ACC student in IIC Lakshya, Kochi. I have recently graduated and I'm proud to share that I have secured first rank in my 6th semester. When I found out I secured first, I was honestly overjoyed. I felt proud and emotional at the same moment. The first people I shared this news is with my parents. They were my biggest supporters, and seeing them happy made this achievement much more special. I did most of my schooling in Bahrain. After plus 2, I decided to come back to Kerala because it is much more affordable there. The overall cost, including the tuition fees, living expenses, exam fees, are much more lower in Kerala when compared to Gulf countries, and that too without a compromise on a quality of the education. The integrated course was a game changer. It would help me to complete both a regular degree as well as a professional qualification such as ACCA in a short time. This would save me years as well as help me to secure a career faster. My overall experience in Lakshya is really positive. They have a great infrastructure, learning environment, and always feel supported. Lakshya is known for producing students with national and global ranks as well as consistently maintain a high pass rate, which makes Lakshya one of the top choice for ACC aspirants. Sincerely thank Lakshya and all my faculties and mentors for guiding me every step of the way. The constant support, expert teaching, and belief in my potential not just helped me to grow academically, but also as a person who's ready to take up global challenges. I'm proud to be part of an institution that truly bests the success of the students.